Thank you for purchasing MegaTech's MegaChopper. This video is intended to help you have a successful first flight. Let's get started. Your MegaChopper includes a 2-channel pistol grip transmitter. The on-off switch is right here. Of course, also included in the box is the MegaChopper. To turn it on and off, you'll find the switch on the right-hand side of the body. And last but not least is your heli charging pad. This cord that comes out of the side of the box is plugged into the heli to charge it up, and the switch is right here. To get your MegaChopper ready to fly, you will need 6 AA alkaline batteries for the transmitter and 8 D-size for the heli charging pad. Let's start with the transmitter. To remove the battery lid, unscrew the little Phillips head screw and slide the lid toward the rear of the transmitter. Now, before you put the batteries in, take a look at the diagram that's printed on the bottom of the battery box. This helps ensure you get the polarity right when you install the batteries. That is, the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. This is very, very important. If you do it wrong, the transmitter will not operate. Once all the batteries are in, just slide the lid back on and reinstall that small Phillips head screw. To check to make sure that the batteries are fresh and that you've installed them correctly, turn the transmitter on and the pilot light will glow. Make sure you turn the transmitter off, otherwise you'll be buying new batteries soon. Okay, now it's time to install the heli charging pad batteries. Once again, remove the small Phillips head screw. There's only one. When that's out, slide the lid and it pulls right off. Just like the transmitter, the heli charging pad has a diagram printed on the inside of the battery box to make sure that you get the polarity right. I can't overstress the importance of this. Not only won't the charging pad work right, but it may cause damage if you don't get them in the right position. Once you've checked the polarity on the batteries twice, reinstall the lid by sliding it into position and screw in the little Phillips head screw. Do not over-tighten, just snug it up. Now it's time to charge up the rechargeable batteries inside the MegaChopper. The first thing you do is make sure both switches on the MegaChopper and on the charging landing pad are in the off position. Now, take the cord from the heli charging pad, turn the chopper over, and right at the center is the charging receptacle. Take the charging plug and plug it in, and place the MegaChopper back on the charging pad. To start the charging, turn the switch on the charging pad to the on position. Leave the MegaChopper switch off. During the charging process, a red light will flash. When charging is complete, you'll hear a beep and the green light will come on. When it's completed, remove the cord and your MegaChopper is ready to fly. Now, before you fly your MegaChopper, I strongly recommend you do a procedure called cycling the batteries. Starting out with a fully charged MegaChopper, turn the transmitter on, then turn the MegaChopper on. The transmitter is always the first thing on and the last thing off. Hold the MegaChopper in your hand firmly and apply full throttle. And just run the MegaChopper until the battery runs down. You'll know the battery is starting to run down when the main rotor starts to slow down. When the battery is almost fully discharged, the rotor will start chattering. Now, after you've run down the battery, what you need to do is don't recharge it right away. You need to let the onboard battery inside the MegaChopper cool down. Let it cool off for 10 minutes. Do this about 3 times. And don't forget, always let the battery cool down. The MegaChopper may need some final adjustments before you're ready to fly. You very simply make an adjustment to the left-hand knob on the back of the transmitter. The boom went left, so I turn this trim knob to the left. Let's try it again. Okay, now the boom wants to hunt to the right. That means I adjusted a little too much. So I'm going to move back on my adjustment. And when properly trimmed, the MegaChopper should take off like this. If the MegaChopper starts spinning its main rotor when you turn the switch on without applying throttle, that's what the other adjustment knob is for. You adjust this knob so when you turn the MegaChopper on, the rotor does not move until you apply throttle. Here's a little tip on flying the MegaChopper. While the wheel on the transmitter is obviously used to steer the tail rotor, getting on or off of the throttle can also be used to change the direction or attitude of the model. This is because the torque of the main rotor makes the fuselage of the heli want to turn in the opposite direction. When throttle is applied, the main rotor turns right or clockwise, causing the fuselage to want to drift left. When you get off the throttle, the opposite happens. The body tends to turn right. Along with the wheel, you can use this to steer your MegaChopper. When you look for an area to fly your MegaChopper, choose an area that has no trees, no telephone poles, or electrical wires, and that there's not a lot of people around. Remember, the most important thing is have fun and happy landings.